Marissa Fabrico. I'm back with another video and I am very excited for this. Here at Mini Spa Vermont, we just brought back our facials and I am going to be talking about the new skincare line that we just got. It is called Leahlani. It is a Hawaiian-based skincare line, all natural, has a lot of botanical and all natural ingredients that are just amazing for your skin. And let's get into this. To start with your skincare regimen, I would recommend the Leahlani cleansing oil. It has a bunch of enzymes in it. I think some people might be a little apprehensive when it comes to an oil because they might be worried that it's too heavy or that it might cause a breakout because of the oil base. It really is just for stripping the makeup and any excess product you have on your skin. And all you need to do is pump about 2-3 little drops and then go in with circular motions on a damp face and then wipe it away with a washcloth. It will not strip your face of any moisture or hydration like a lot of cleansers do, which is probably why cleansing oil is the best option, in my opinion. I also have really dry skin, so the cleansing oil is just perfect for me. All of these products are actually curated for all skin types, so if you have any worries or concerns, there you have it. It is for every skin type. Let's jump right in to a mask, because after a cleansing oil and you want to do a full skincare regimen, I would recommend doing a mask. So we have 2 masks. This is actually an exfoliator, but I will get into that very quickly. So this is the mermaid mask, and the reason it's green, oh look at that shine, that's really fun. It has spirulina in it, which is green. Also algae, I have to smell it. It smells like fresh cut grass after a rainfall. I don't even know how else to describe that, it's just amazing. This is kind of what you're looking at. It also has clay in there, which is kind of why it looks goopy. But this is technically called superfood for your skin. It has all of the antioxidants and algae, which is very, very good for your skin. I don't know much about algae, but I know that you can have it in a smoothie, which is basically why this is called a smoothie for your skin. And then we're gonna go and talk about this guy, Honey Love. I actually went and got my own after I had a facial because I was just so in love with what it did for my skin. As you can see, look how glowy this is. That's all because of the facial. And I got it last week and I'm still feeling the last bit of love that it had to offer. Honey Love is an exfoliator. I have to smell that as well. It's very sweet, but it also has a fruity kind of hint to it. You can't tell, but there is a little bit of grit in there, and that's because it exfoliates. The difference between a mask and an exfoliator is that the exfoliator goes in like such and will go and polish your skin. Microdermabrasion, it helps with cellular renewal, and it basically takes all the dead skin and scrubs it off and polishes the skin and leaves it really shiny and renewed. So basically that is what you would get from the exfoliation, which I really need. I have to say that masks have really harmed our skin. Not these kind of masks, but the face masks that we have to wear right now. And I could not recommend the masks and exfoliation more. It just really goes in and rescues the skin. After that, I would definitely use one of the serums. You have this right here, the Duo. I would probably use the Ritual because the Morning Moisture Elixir is for the first thing in the morning that you want to do. You start off with your skincare routine with this little guy right here. It's a botanical, it's got a nice floral scent to it, lots of antioxidants, key for hydration. And I know that some people are gonna be apprehensive to a serum because it's thick, but this goes on so smoothly and it does not stick to your skin like you would think a glue would. This is really lightweight, and I'm actually wearing this one right here, the Ritual. A nice small glow. It is just beautiful and it smells amazing. Again, to smell all of them. Just 2 to 3 pumps on your hand and then just go right in. I actually like to tap rather than do this because I don't want to tug on my skin, and I don't recommend doing that because our mothers would tell us to never tug on our skin when we were little, and you know what? There's a reason why they said that. So it says to shake the bottle really well and then do a pump or 2 of serum on the palm and then gently massage and clean on damp skin. Use once or twice daily. I think that's great. And then after that, to top it all off, I recommend using the toner because it's like a hydration spray. The hydration sprays kind of are an ongoing theme that we have at the spa with Jane Iredale. It's just kind of the best option if you have dull or dry skin and then you're doing a skincare routine and you go, there's something missing. Well, guess what? Now you know. This is it. This is the holy grail. It just goes in and hydrates, and it is great for moisturizing. And I guess I would say it's kind of like a mist. It's like a rainfall. It's like a mist. And it also has, if you can hear that, it's got a little gem, a little crystal. These are crystal infused, and there are so many benefits to having gemstones in a product like that. Let me just show you how you would apply a little mist like that. Give it a few pumps, keep it to, 3 to 4 inches away from your face. I'm not sure if that's accurate. I'm an art major. And then just kind of go in, rub it in a little bit, maybe tap it. And there you go. There you have it. This is called the Balancing Toner. And again, it's all natural. It's got a gem in it. This one is floral scented. It's just incredible. And you basically have a whole skincare routine right here at the tip of your fingers. I mean, it's just amazing. And this skincare line is a game changer for me personally. I plan on getting more of these products, and I'm very excited for you guys to go and get the facials. You're going to love them. It's such a treat. Skincare and self-care go hand in hand, and right now I think we really all need it and we deserve it so much. And I'm just very excited for everyone to get a little piece of Hawaii and go on a little tropical vacation in their mind. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, guys.